Hey everyone, so today is Vlogmas day the 21st, and it is basically 4 more days until Christmas. Can't believe it is already here, but therefore I am going to be hanging out until it's time for me to get ready for work. Time for me to go to work. So there's not really much in this video, just to explain to you what I'm doing right now before I have to go to work and what I am going to be doing probably tomorrow or later on today, however it goes. So what I'm going to be doing later on today, if I have time, is to get some stuff situated for 4 days until Christmas. So I'll be doing my Christmas dinner list that will be going up probably tomorrow or on Thursday, depending on how I'm feeling and what's going on. So I'm going to be doing the Christmas dinner list, and I don't know if I'm gonna have that video up for tomorrow or on Thursday. So basically, really just stay tuned and be on the lookout for the rest of the Vlogmas videos that I come out with, because you don't basically know, or not ever going to be knowing when I'm going to put it out. If it's going to be something basically related about Christmas, or it's going to be something about like Christmas dinner, or me just having a chill day. You just don't know. Or it's just me decorating something, or having an idea about something for Christmas. You just won't know. So stay tuned, be lookout, and I'll catch you guys in the next Vlogmas, which will be Vlogmas Day 22. Oh my goodness. Vlogmas Day 22. See you next one.